Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Dominoes 7 here, as y'all know who I am. Okay. Y'all wondering? I'm on chef right here at the Gentilly Walmart. All right. So I'm at Walmart right now because I have to get us something to eat. Some raviolis, canned goods at that. All right. So I vlog with my mask on. I got this towel for extra precaution. Okay. And look at this. It rained out here, you know. Golly, it done rained out here when I was in the store. Y'all see that? See wet roads? Y'all see the wet roads, right? So this is gonna be probably a very short Facebook Live video while I wait on the bus, the Louisa bus at that. Okay. I want to try to save some of them cokes for my birthday, you know. Because, you know, I'm having company for my birthday. My Auntie Sharon and my cousin Ricky and Blossom gonna be there. Yep. I wonder if she drank a Sprite, a Coke, or Dr. Pepper. I don't know. You know, so I got one of those. But I'm going to try to save that for my birthday, though. I'm going to try it. You know, almost the whole family gonna be at the birthday party, but not as much. You know, if they can't make it, they could watch the show. Okay, I'm gonna be 36 this year. Okay, 36. If y'all know what I mean. I sure can't wait for them to come. You know. Y'all gonna see her on my birthday, you know. All right. So y'all gonna see the family, you know. I don't know what else we're gonna have for my birthday, you know. Yep. They still doing drive-throughs or they ain't letting nobody in these restaurants with Popeyes, you know. McDonald's, Rallies. Well, Rallies is not an inside restaurant. I mean, fast food or whatever you want to call it. It's an outside restaurant. Like Grande Restaurant. I don't know what the hell I mean by that. All right, so I don't know if we're going to have heavy rain or what. You know? Look at the skies, you see? Be careful in that bad weather, bro. Okay, I will. Thank you. Somebody commented. Okay, guy named Shane. You know, I'm gonna be alright, bro. You know, thanks for the prayers. You know, well, Kristen ain't watching this time though. She gonna probably watch either when I'm finished recording or on YouTube or something. That was a truck right there. All right, I'm gonna stop this live. Okay, bye bye.